Now, for our audience who are abroad, what would your definition of bhakti be?
So this is a tough question. So definition of bhakti is surrender. You just surrender. For you cannot understand that truth which is beyond understanding. You cannot understand that supreme which is beyond forms. You cannot understand that whole which is beyond names. The only thing that you can do, even if you try to understand that supreme from textbooks, you will just get an iota of what it could be. I'm not even referring it as him, because it is not him, it is not her. It is beyond all the genders. And if you try to understand that supreme from an idol, then also you will get an iota of it. And when you mix all these truths, even all these truths together cannot explain what that supreme is. So the supreme is not a subject of logical mind. The supreme is not a subject of reason. The supreme is a subject of anubhuti or experience. And everybody has their own experience. And when everybody have their own experience of realizing that truth, there is difference and similarity. Difference because we all have a different journey, and so we realize the truth on our own terms, uh, the ways we see it, based on our prarabdha and where we stand in the process of our journey. And similar because whosoever has realized that truth has become similar in their behavior. For example, when Nikola Tesla realized it, when Pythagoras realized it, when Albert Einstein realized it, when Buddha realized it, when Shankaracharya realized it, Mahavir realized it, they had some similarity. They became compassionate towards other beings. They became calm. There was a component of ahimsa. They were rooted in ahimsa. They were rooted in sarva bhuta hit, doing or meaning well for all beings, irrespective of their names, forms, caste, and religion. So I think that is the definition of bhakti. You cannot define it, but you can understand it. You can't define it. So if you define it, you have closed the doors of bhakti. I don't want to do that. Because bhakti is not just bhakti towards a certain deity. Bhakti also means the way you perform your daily duties. Bhakti also means your surrender to your music. Bhakti also means surrender to your work. So you cannot give one definition of bhakti.